great in the evening, especially the weekends. It's a great little area.
Making business out here, boy.
Lots to look at. Go ahead and look around and see what you find.
Aber das war schon. Die Bäume, die hat man nicht jetzt.
Hi, Ducky. Joe's Passion. Harley Davidson.
Straight ahead of us is the Hyatt Regency Hotel. The Hyatt Regency Hotel opened here in 1981. It was designed to create a passageway or a pathway from the river walk to the Alamo. All you gotta do pretty much is go through the main doors, out the next up the stairs, and you'll be right in front of the Alamo. Hyatt Regency Hotel is about shorter in height than originally planned, only so that way it would not cast a shadow on the Alamo during the setting sun. Not only is the Alamo a mission, it is a war memorial. So out of respect, this is done. On to the right, the beautiful red building is the German Casino Club building, built here in 1927 by German Social Club. They had many clubhouses and offices that were later converted into apartments, which kind of traces to Magnolia. So this area we're entering right now, this is known as River Square. Renovated back in 1972. Holds many for the restaurants, different kinds of restaurants for whatever you're in the mood for. To the right-hand side is the Clifford Building. On the balcony, it has the name Robert Huckman. Robert Huckman was the architect of the Riverwalk. He had his little architectural office here to prove the businesses could strive on river level without any kind of flood damage. So it's back in 1941. As you go underneath Commerce, and to the right is Casa Rio. It is a Mexican restaurant. Also the first restaurant to introduce riverside dining. The foundation of the riverboat ride and dinner on boats have been around since 1946. Okay, you can see that we've completed the Hotel Horseshoe. We're going to go ahead and go way back into one of our extensions.
Esto es como Italia, ¿no? Ah, Italia, papá, todo eso.